Um, Hi everyone. Um, I was in the library in the morning. Now I got home. It's pretty late right now, around 11:34 p.m. So let's continue with the project. Yeah. Okay. Go terminal. CD. CD document. Go to CD window project. Um, I just have a mechanical keyboard at home. That's why it make this noise. So let's open window init.c. Yeah. So it's going to open this one. Okay. Um, okay. So far we have um, well we initialize the window and we have the app init. We initialize the library. We make a window and the renderer with set render logical representation. Yeah, it's kind of important. Let's fit this one every every frame. Yeah, it's not it. Yeah, let's go to SDL3 example. Let's go here. Minimal. Okay, clear. The source code. I have yeah, a second monitor, so I'm going to drag it here. Yeah, I'm going to drag it here. Source code. Oh, I think you want to see it, so let's have to the right, have to the left. Um, oh wait, no, that's way too big. Let's have to the left. Can you see the source code? Yeah, it's kind of cover a little bit. I think we can make this one smaller. Oh wait, no. Let's make it a little bit bigger and move it to the top like this. Yeah, okay. Continue. Oh wait, no, not that one. Okay. So we initialize. I think it will take care of my cat. Just wait for me for a second. Okay, guys, I think I'm back. I got some error. And it didn't recording my screen. So yeah, let's do this over again. This is a really problem. No, I think it's not really a big problem. Yeah, so let's try to do it. So for in the last one, we finished initializing the window. We create a window and a renderer, or all of the basic things. Now we're going to make add add a few more functions to make the program complete. So let's make the event function. The event function will handle all of your event like a mouse click, your keyboard, keyboard, and everything that happened. So let's go SDL app result. So SDL app event void app state, and we need to pass into the address of the struct of the event. It is a struct. I think I tried to read the source code before. It's just way too much. I think I know a little bit, but maybe not enough. So if we press, if we press this one, it's going to close the program. So event type equal SDL event quit, return SDL app success. Yeah, okay, so let's make a comment here. If we press the assist button, delete, wait, no, turn off the window, and we carry on, return SDL app continue. Then we go to the heart of the program, SDL app iterate. So basically this function will run once per frame and it's going to update constantly. It's more like a loop, and yeah, it's more like a loop of the program. It's going to run every single frame. SDL app result, SDL app iterate. Does it really work? Yeah, it should work. So we could pass in the pointer to the app state. I don't know what it does. For the code from here to here, they're going to calculate the color and they're going to update. So you're gonna make the changing color. But my goal for here, just make a white window. So I think I'm going to just have this one. I think they use the draw color flow for the smooth color transition, but I think I just render one color. So I'm just going to use set render draw colors. Okay, STL set render draw color. Set render draw color. What will they use? What parameter they will take? They will take the renderer. I think I'm kind of wonder why did they have this that sign right here. I don't know why they don't have that. Oh, is it because they have the one pointer, but in here they have the double pointer? I think I learned about this, but I didn't pay attention. So in this function they have to use the I'm good. Yeah, renderer. So we're gonna have renderer and the RGBA color, red, ring, blue, and the alpha. I think I already have it in here. I didn't really find it. So if you want to, you can have the RGB color with code. Yeah, you can use this one. Yeah, for the white you can use you have to set to 255 for the ring, 255 for the red, 255 for the ring, and 255 for the blue. Here I think I already have it. And for the alpha, for it to be fully opaque, so we're gonna use 255. Yeah, so red for Y, red ring for Y, and blue for Y. And with the SDL alpha opaque, you don't have to do like me. I think for the why they use this, because I made a constant for all these three in here. Use red 255, green 255, blue 255, and let's make a white color. So a few more steps to make a window working. So we need to create a window to draw the color. So we use this function STL render clear. STL render clear renderer. We need to make the comment here. Create a window to draw the color, and we have to one more function, render present renderer. We put a this function will put the newly created rendering on the screen, and we're going to carry on with the program. Return STL app continue. Yeah, and I think, and one more function that's really important is that when we close the window, we need to release all the memory that we use. So this function will help us handle it. So right here, void STL app quit, void app stay STL app resolve. Yeah, this function will help us free all the memory that we use when we close the program. We'll have freeing all the memory after quitting the program. Cool. So yeah, let's check if it works. Let this compile it. Let's remove. So we got this right here. You don't have to care about this. I'm going to explain it later. But I think it's a really important concept that you know how the header file and the util file work. I think it will help you organize your project a lot, because STL does the same thing with all the function in here. That's why we was able to use it without defining it. We just need to link the library to together, and the function just work. Okay, so let's compile this one. GCC window init.c. Wait, let's just have a rest. My eye hurts. Okay, gcc.o here to put the name before the executable file. Let's put it to test, and we'll have to link all the library of STL into our compiler. So we use pkg config cflag lib stl3, press enter. Yeah, it's worked, no error. We run the executable file, name it test, run, and we have a window, a basic window. Yay! So far we got a window. Then what can we do with this window? I don't know. I don't have any idea yet. But I think I want to make a window that can browse in YouTube, and we can use that to watch video without accessing the application like Google or Safari, because it's going to have us saving a lot of data. Let me introduce it to this one. Search video. This one is the thing that I make with ChatGPT. It's help me make here. This is really cool. Search video. Let's see what kind of video you want. How about listen to some music from this major minor switcher. Well, don't overthink it. Major minor is related to the key in the music piece. So when the piece is written in major key, it's going to sound very happy, and it's going to, when written in minor keys, it's going to sound a little bit sad. And this channel will switch them major and minor to experience how a piece in major will sound in minor. Oh, I think you know it. For Elise in major key. Yeah, this is the project that I did. Really cool. For Elise in major key. I think we can set a little bit more. Major and minor switcher. Major and minor switcher. Here, I think not this one. Chopin waltz. This La Campanella. I think most of you kind of familiar with this one. Oh yeah, I think you want to watch this one. I got this one. Copy. I got this ID. So to watch video, paste the link and the resolution. I don't want to waste more. I don't want to waste more data, so I'm going to watch it. This one. Let's see how it's going. Just wait for a little bit. For those of you who wonder how that why how can a person play that many notes? Well, to well that piece was written for well that this piece right here is written for a forehand, which means two person, one person on the right and one person on the left. That's why it has so many notes. For those you who are wonders. Yeah. Well, when you go to YouTube like this, you have to download a lot of things like ads, videos. Yeah, it's really convenient, but you go to waste a lot of data. But when you browse a video like this, it's going to save you a lot of data, and you can specify how you want to download your video. I think for my here, I only used 360p, and it's going to have a lot. Wait, but we don't have this command. Where does it come from? Well, that command is there like a custom command. Actually, if you want to watch the video with this link, with the link, there's a thing called MP3. Yeah, MP3 is actually like a project that people make to watch video on YouTube based on the with the given with the link MPV on terminal. Yeah, MPV here, a free freedom media player for the here. Yeah, you can use that to watch the video on the terminal. It's really cool. You just need to download it. I think you can make them. I think you can know how to install it. I think there's a video on YouTube. How to watch video from terminal. Yeah, I think this has a lot of video here. Just use it like this. Well, I think I actually wandering on YouTube and I saw this video. That's why it sparked my idea. So how to make a custom command like this? I think I hid it very far inside the system. Let me show you how to make it. To make a command executable, to make a custom command like this, you just need to go to your root of your system, cd and slash like this. You will go to the root with the log right here. Here you will have all the source file. Just be careful, don't delete any of this. It will shut down your ruin your laptop or a computer really quick. So where do I hit this one? Well, in order for it to executable, you go to OBT, cd OBT, you go to homebrew, and you go to I think you got, wait, where did I hit that? I think I forgot. Oh wait, I think I forgot where did I hide that. It's been a while. cd OBT again. Oh what? That's bad me. cd bin. Where did I hit that? Oh wait, no. Oh yeah, it's not OBT. I think I hit it in the USR. cd USR cd. I think hey wait, oh, I think for reference, the executable file on terminal hidden in the system. Yeah, I think I hid it somewhere, but I forgot. System specific directory. Oh, you go to bin. Oh yeah, you got to use your local bin. Yeah, it's in there. cd usr cd bin. Yeah, I think it's hidden in here. Watch video. So the function is named watch video. W. Is it? Yeah, I think it's somewhere in here. Oh man, okay, yeah, it's been a while. I guess because it's not my project, so that's why I don't remember it. Bad me. I made it ChatGPT, so basically ChatGPT did all the work, and I didn't do anything. That's why I don't remember it. Okay. No, it's not here. cd opt cd bin. I think it's in bin. No, it's not here. What video? Oh, it's in here. I think you can let's search for the file. Okay, cd opt homebrew bin. Yeah, it's in here. So when you open that file, we have pkg config in here. Yeah, I think we can open that file. It's somewhere in here. Watch video. Oh well. Yeah, I should not rely on ChatGPT. Oh, here. Open that E. Yeah. Actually, when I run that, this is it's called a batch file. So when I run when I make a batch file in here, and I give it the permission, and then I run the file, it's going to run all the command in here. So instead of I'm typing this long command with the URL of the video and the resolution, I kinda simplify the process by having this script. So instead of manually typing this long command, I just need to type watch video and the URL that I want, and then with the resolution like 360p. So this script will take all my argument, and it's going to place it in this code right here. Yeah, for the quality, it's going to take this argument, this one, to place it in here. For the URL, going to take this what I have right here and place it into here, and then it's going to run this whole command. Yeah. And how do I, and for the thing that I did, and for the other thing, search video with the type video that I want, major minus switcher. Yep. And for the thing that I want, for this kind of thing, I use a Python script. I use a Python script that helped me in doing so. Well, I asked ChatGPT to generate this, so I don't really know how it works, but here, this is a Python script. cd user. Let's go to my home directory. I think I hid it. I actually hid that Python file in the hidden directory. You can use ls.a to see all the .a. This is all the hidden directory. Then you go to, I think I hide it in .config. Yeah, I actually hide it in here. cd.config. Yeah, video player. Yeah, I did it in here. cd video player. Yeah, and you get url.py. That is the Python script that helped me generate all of this. Hey, and then disclaimer, I did not make all of this. ChatGPT did. Kinda embarrassing, but it is what it is. So I open get URL .py here. Wait, I think I don't want to fill it at this. Let's go to code. Get URL file. Go to open in the Visual Studio. Here, this is the code. It's going to do a lot of things. API key. I think we can get it on the Google. Yeah, API key. How many results per page? Thumbnail resolution. Yeah, I asked ChatGPT and kinda messing with the prompt, and the result is this thing. It's very clean, very cleanly. But I think there's one more abstraction. Where you get the API key, I think you can go to Google. Google API. Yeah, Google Cloud API right here. Yeah, I think you can go to here. Google Cloud API. You go to console. You just collect. Oh yeah, you go to console right here, and you go to generate Gemini API. No, not this one. API key and service, and you go to the enable API. Oh, you go to credential, and you can make an API key. I think you can make API key, and when you have it, create credential API key. Yeah, you can make a new one, but I only have one here. And then when you have the API key, you can show the key. Yeah, and you can copy this into this Python script. Yeah, you can add ChatGPT to make it for you, but you need to be very specific about what you want to make it work well without any bugs. Yeah, I have a lot of things. I think I can push it on my GitHub page for all of you to try to do it, but you have to figure it out. But you have to figure it out by yourself. It's not hard, but it's gonna take a while if you don't know how the how the file and how the file in the system work. But once you know how all the file work like this, I think it's it will be very easy for you to know. Yeah, I just want to share a little bit of knowledge. Yeah, this code will you go to my API key, it's going to fetch all the result, and it's going to display that into the terminal with the thumbnail like this, and you can use this along with the other other custom command to actually watch the video without accessing Safari. Yeah, that's really cool. But there's one more abstraction to run this script. I use the similar method of this of of watching the video, like watch video. I use the bash file in that directory. Go to the root again, cd opt homebrew, go to bin. Yeah, I think that function is called search video. Here, this function right here. Let's go to copy that, open.e, search video. Yeah, when I run that function, it's going to go to that. It's going to the location that had a Python file right here, and it's going to run it, and it's going to pass the parameters. For example, search video. So let's see what about the cat video. Yeah, and this bash script will take this argument into this llama command. It's going to process this argument, and it's going to run this script. Go to run this script using this your result, and this script will, and this Python script will use your result and go to your API key, and it's going to request all the video related to your result, and it's going to display it in your terminal. Yeah, it's kind of illegal to do so, because yeah, I think you should not doing so. It's just my way of doing it. Well, I think you should figure it out by yourself, because I'm not going to explain into detail, because it's like illegal. Just go to YouTube and watch normally. Well, like I said, it has a lot of limitation, and you just it's very inconvenient to watch it this way, because you have to know what you are doing, or you will going to messing up all things. So if you know a little bit of computers and how the file work, you can make this, but I think it's best to use this to listening to music rather than replacing YouTube with it. So yeah, and that's a little bit of my project. Not really my project. I had ChatGPT to do it. So yeah, cat video. Okay, let's go to cd user. Let's go to the directory. Yeah, I'm here. Okay, I think I have a window. We go to my project file, cd window project. Yeah, we have a window. I think I kind of want to integrate the idea I just showed you before into this window. Like we have like we can watch the video on this window, but I think I haven't figured out how the MPP work yet. Maybe I should read the source code. MPP on terminal. Yeah, we should read the source code here, but I think I won't be able to read it, because my level of understanding does not reach this one. And to be able to make this project, there's a contribution of more than 500 people working together in multiple languages: the Python, Objective-C, Meson, Lua, Swift, and Multi-C. Yeah, it's not easy to understand and to read all of it. I don't know how to read it. That's a problem. Yeah, they kind of used, I feel like they used OpenGL I think no, they use this one. What is this one? I think they used something to make a window to get a URL on YouTube. Yeah, but maybe you try to keep it simple and figure out what can I do. Figure out what I can do with the window. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I kind of run out of idea. So that's all for today. Hey, before you go, let me introduce you with some good music that I know. For this one, I think it's good, but more like a Japanese. If you don't like Japanese, you can watch Your Life April. Very good video. Terry Davis. He make it all operating system, programming language, and like he make everything down to the bit. Basically, he make it from scratch with no AI or something. Well, how good is that? Just like you trying to build a whole skyscraper with just one person. Yeah, that's just how hard is it to make the whole operating system. And this video, Austria painting.
Guten Tag, hallo und herzlich willkommen zu diesem Einführungskurs in
Yes, that's for the urge control your urge. Yeah, I think I can would introduce you to this one. Oh yeah, this was the major version, but the original version this sound very different for Elise. Yeah, this is the this was the original version. It's gonna sound like no, I don't like ad. Well, but I appreciate that because it's make the YouTube free. Yeah, it's going to this one is in minor key. Yeah, and this is the major key. Yeah, very weird, right? So basically this is the not the original version. This one is the original version. It should be in A minor, but the piece I just show you is in major key. Yeah, really cool, right? Okay, that's it for today. I hope that my sharing will help you a little bit about how to make a window in STL3. So yeah, that's it for today. Okay, it's kind of late. It's 1:26 in the morning. I think my parents will not be happy when seeing me staying up this late. So yeah, thanks guys. I think I will try to modify the window for a little bit in maybe tomorrow. Okay. Good night everyone, and good morning if you live in the country with the morning. Okay, bye bye.